Okay, let's move on to another question. When do I use Schedule A? This is a question about itemized deductions. The Schedule A, and I think we have a copy of that here for you guys. You can actually look at this. Schedule A, this is one of those things also that we talked about on when to use Schedule or Form 1040, when to use Form 1040A. If you have itemized deductions, that's one of the reasons you're going to have to use the full IRS Form 1040. Let's see if I can find my Schedule A here. Okay, I don't see my Schedule A. Am I missing it? But I bet I can find it. See, this is my new test for technology. So I can go out here to the irs.gov, and this is also the place you can go. You can still get most of these forms right here at mahalodotcom, but you can also go straight to the IRS website and just type in Schedule A, search right on the website. Tremendous number of forms, instructions, help. You see Schedule A right there on the front page. Schedule A is called itemized deductions. The key point for itemized deductions is these are things that relate to personal expenses, medical expenses, mortgage interest that you pay on your home, real estate taxes, sales taxes. If your state has income tax, that goes on the Schedule A also. This is where you put gifts to your church, any other charitable contributions, any expenses that you pay in connection with your job. Now, not a small business, but in connection with your job that aren't reimbursed also go on the Schedule A. So if you have medical expenses, charitable contributions to your church or otherwise, mortgage interest on your home, real estate taxes, sales tax, state income tax, casualty losses on your home. Some people in the hurricanes we've had, lots of tornadoes went through Texas and the South last week. Lots of casualty losses out there. All of those things go on Schedule A. Now, Schedule A also gives you an option. The IRS recognizes that some people don't want to go through all the hassle of filling out this form, or they may not have enough to kind of get to the minimum. So the IRS has a standard deduction for itemized deduction. You can either use standard deduction, or you can actually fill out the Schedule A and go through all of the detail. If you're single and you have about $5,700 or less in these type of expenses that we've talked about, then it's better for you just to use the standard deduction. If you have more than that and you're single, then certainly fill out this form, because you can deduct the higher of the two, either the minimum $5,700 or the detail of all the expenses you had. And if you're married filing jointly, the number is about twice that. So the good news here is that if you have some of these type of expenses, it's a great idea to download the form. Again, right here at mahalodotcom, you can download those forms, do the calculation, and then see which one of those actually benefits you the most, which gives you the highest deduction, and that's when you'll end up using Schedule A. So great benefit. It is the way we can get some of our personal expenses deductible, so certainly take advantage of the Schedule A. At least look at that form and see if it's going to benefit your overall tax position.